Hello friends, in this video tutorial, we will learn PHP crop image before upload by using Cropper JavaScript library. In this tutorial, you can find how to use Cropper JavaScript library for PHP crop image before uploading of image. So this demo of this tutorial, here we can see user profile image icon on web page. So when we have moved cursor over the profile icon, then it has asked for change profile image. For change profile image, we have click on image icon, then we have select profile image from local computer. After selecting image, here we can see Modal has been pop up on web page, and here on Modal, we can see select image with preview, and here we can also see crop image button also. Now for crop image, here we define area of image, which we want to crop, before upload of image, and then after, we have click on crop button. After click on crop button, here we can see Modal has been removed from web page, and here we can see cropped uploaded image, in place of profile image. So these things we will learn in this tutorial. So this is our working folder, and here we can see index.php and upload.php file. And here we can also see upload folder also, and in this folder, we will upload cropped image. First we have open index.php file, and in this file, we have already included jQuery library, Bootstrap library, and Cropper JavaScript library also. Under this file, we have create one division tag, with class is equal to image area. And under this tag, we have write form tag, with method is equal to post. Under this form, we have write label tag, with for attribute is equal to upload image. Under this tag, we have write image tag, with source is equal to upload folder / user.png, id is equal to uploaded image. Here user image we have store under upload folder. For create overlay effect over image, here below this image, we have write division tag with class is equal to overlay. And for display overlay text, here we have write division tag, with class is equal to text, and under this tag, we have right click to change profile image text. So this text will be display, if we have moved cursor over user image. Next for select image from local computer, here we have write input type is equal file, name is equal to image, class is equal to image, id is equal upload image, and style is equal to display property set to none. So this file tag will not display on web page. Friends, here we can see that when page has been loaded in browser, then on web page we can see user image. Now we have moved cursor over this image, Then here we can see image overlay text effect display over image, and it has asked for change profile image. Now we have proceed for crop and upload image. So here on index page, here we have paste this bootstrap modal sample code, with ID is equal to modal. Under this modal code, we have write image tag, with source is equal to blank value, and ID is equal to sample image. Under this image tag, we will display image, which we have select from local computer. Then after, here we have create one division tag, with class is equal to preview. Under this tag, we will display crop image preview. For crop image, we have to create one button. So here we have write button type is equal to button, ID is equal to crop, and in button text, we have write crop. So when we have click on this button, image will be cropped, and upload in upload folder. Now, we have moved to write jQuery code part. So here we have write variable $modal is equal to $ with modal ID modal. Next, we have write variable image is equal to document.getElementById method, and under this, we have write sample image. So we have store modal image tag property, under this image variable. And here we have also create cropper variable. This variable we will use crop image using Cropper JavaScript library. Now, we have write $ with file tag ID upload image, with change event. So when we have select file from local computer, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, we have write files variable is equal to event.target.file. After this, we have write done variable is equal to callback function with URL argument. Under this function, we have write image variable.src attribute is equal to URL. So here we have store URL argument value in image source property. After this, we have write $modal variable.modal method, and under this, we have write show. It will pop up modal on web page. For check user has select image or not, for this here, we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write files and files.length value is greater than 0. If this condition true, that means user has select file. If this condition true, that means user has select file, and here we have write reader variable is equal to new file reader. Below this, we have write reader.onload event is equal to callback function. This function will be called if file reader has been loaded. Under this function, we have write done method, and under this, we have write reader.result. Next, we have write reader.read as data URL method, and under this, we have write files variable with 0 index. It will display image under image tag with ID sample image. Friends, first we have refresh web page, and here we have click on user icon, and select profile image from local computer. After selecting image, here we can see modal has been pop up in browser, and under this modal, we can see selected image. Next we want to initialize Cropper JavaScript library plugin. For this here, we have write $modal variable.on method, and under this, we have write show.bs.modal, with callback function. When modal will be pop up in browser, then this block of code will execute. Under this, we have write Cropper variable is equal to new Cropper method with 2 argument. In first argument, we have write image variable. And in second argument, we have to define different option. So in first option, we have set aspect ratio property set to 1. View mode option property set to 3, and in preview option, we have write division tag class preview. Under this class, it will display crop image preview. So when modal has been pop up, then it will initialize Cropper plugin on selected image. After this, here we have add-on method, and under this, we have write hidden.bs.modal, with callback function. This block of code will execute when modal will be removed from web page. Under this, we have write Cropper.destroy method, and Cropper is equal to null. This code will destroy Cropper plugin when modal will be closed. Friends, here, first we have refresh web page. After refresh of web page, we have click on user icon, and select profile image from local computer. After selecting profile image, here we can see that modal has been pop up in browser, and under this modal, we can see selected image with preview. Under this image, we can define the area of image which we want to crop. So when we have select crop area, then in preview, we can see only selected area image. Now we want to crop image. For this we have to go index page, and here, we have write $with button ID crop, with click event. So when we have click on crop button, then this block of code will execute. Under this block, we have write canvas variable is equal to Cropper variable.get cropped canvas method. This method will return selected image area. Under this method, we have write width property set to 400, and height property set to 400. So here we define Cropper image size. Next, we have write canvas.toBlob API. It will compress image with better quality. Under this function, we have write URL variable is equal to url.createObject URL method, and under this, we have write blob variable. After this, we have again define reader variable is equal to new file reader object, for read the content of selected files. Below this, we have write reader.read as data URL method, and under this we have write blob. this method will read the content of this blob variable. Next, we have write read.onLoadEnd is equal to callback function, so when file reader complete read the content of file, then this function will called. Under this function, we have write base64 data variable is equal to reader.result, so here under this variable, we have store blob content of selected file. Now, we have start write Ajax request, so here we have write first option URL set to upload.php, it will send request to this file. In second option, we have write method, and here we have use post method for submit data to server. In third option, we have write data, and here we have write image variable, with base64 data as value, has been sent to server, with this Ajax request. Lastly, we have write success callback function. This function will be called if Ajax request completed successfully, and it will receive data from server. Under this function, we have write $modal.modal method, and under this, we have write hide, it will hide modal from web page. For display uploaded image, in place of user icon image, here we have write $with image ID uploaded image, with attribute method. And under this method, we have write source attribute, and in value, we have write data, so it will display uploaded crop image, on web page, at in place of user icon image. Now we have moved to write PHP code, in upload.php for upload crop image, so on this page we have write if statement, and under condition, we have write is set function with $post image variable. If this variable value is set, then it will execute if block of code, and under this block, we have write $data variable is equal to $post image variable. Here in this code $post image variable will receive cropped image in base64 encoded format, and here we have store into $data variable. Now here we can see image will converted into this encoded format, and from this format, we want to remove this, and get only encode string only. So here we have write $image array1 is equal to explode function 2 argument like semicolon, and $data variable. This code will make an array from string by using this explode function, and store into this $image array1 variable. After this, we have again write $image array2 variable is equal to explode function with 2 argument, like comma, and $image array1 variable with 1 index. Here in $image array1 variable with 1 index, we have store string with start from base64 comma, because above we have convert string to array by using explode function with semicolon as string delimiter. Now we have write $data variable is equal to base64 decode function, and under this we have write $image array2 variable with 1 index. Under this variable we have store only string without semicolon and comma, and this function will decodes data encode with MIME base 64. Below this we have write $image name variable is equal to upload folder / time function with PNG extension. This code will generate new unique name and store into this $image name variable. Now we have write file put contents function with 2 argument. In file name argument we have write $image name variable, and in data argument we have write $data variable. This function will write a string, which we have store in $data variable, and make file which we have specified under $image name variable. In short, it will upload cropped image under upload folder. Now we want to send output to Ajax request. So here we have write echo statement with $image name variable. This code will display uploaded image. So here our code is ready. Now we have check output in browser. Friends, here we can see user profile image icon on web page. So when we have moved cursor over the profile icon, then it has asked for change profile image. For change profile image, we have click on image icon, then we have select profile image from local computer. After selecting image, here we can see Modal has been pop up on web page, and here on Modal, we can see select image with preview, and here we can also see crop image button also. Now for crop image, here we define area of image, which we want to crop, before upload of image, and then after, we have click on crop button. After click on crop button, here we can see Modal has been removed from web page, and here we can see uploaded cropped image, in place of profile image. So in this tutorial, we have seen how to use Cropper JavaScript library for crop image before uploading of image by using PHP script.